India is celebrating its 73rd Republic Day in the year 2022. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. On 26 January 1950, Constitution of India came into an effect and was honored as a Republic India. This day is the celebration to remember the historic moment when our nation became an independent republic country. To frame a constitution after many deliberations and amendments, a committee headed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into an effect on 26 January 1950. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad also began his term as the first President of India. The Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under provisions of the new Constitution. The main celebration of Republic Day has been held at the national capital, New Delhi at Rajpath, in the presence of the President, Prime Minister and other high-ranking officials of India. On this day, ceremonial parades take place at the Rajpath. Republic Day March is an eye-catching element of the festival. It showcases Indian culture and social heritage. It also showcases the Indian defense capability. Different regiments of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, accompanied by their bands, march in their official decorations. The President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute. At this prestigious celebration, the heroes of our country, the soldiers, are not forgotten. Prestigious awards are given away to the martyrs and the heroes who have dedicated their lives to protect the country at any cost. Republic Day is celebrated in every school, college, and office with great enthusiasm. In schools, various competitions are conducted like dancing, singing, and giving a Republic Day speech. These help students to understand our constitution and to follow it. The preamble of the Indian Constitution mentions India as a republic country that is sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic. It secures justice, liberty, equality to all the citizens of India and promotes fraternity among the people. It also gives us rights and duties as citizens. On this Republic Day, I hope that no matter who we are, rich or poor, a powerful politician or a regular citizen, we continue to respect these basic principles and values given to us by our Constitution, so that as we move forward and continue to build this nation, we do not leave behind the foundation on which our country is built. The Government of India took an initiative to celebrate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. Under the banner of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the National Yogasana Sports Federation has decided to run a project of Surya Namaskar. Blossom students have given a musical performance on Surya Namaskar on the occasion of this day. Surya Namaskar is to be practiced early in the morning at sunrise to show their gratitude towards the sun by performing Surya Namaskar. As per science, the sun is the natural source of energy. The scientist doesn't admit the sun as a god. Surya Namaskar rejuvenates your body, refreshes your mind, and gives you an awesome feeling of energy throughout the day. The systematic practice of different steps in Surya Namaskar benefits you by making your muscles and joints flexible in a very short span. It stretches our abdominal muscles and improves the function of our body organs, removes anxiety, tension, and stress from our mind. Surya Namaskar involves forward and back bends, which will give a positive effect on our back. This asana also improves our immunity and makes our spine flexible. So let's watch the performance of class 10 students on Surya Namaskar.
Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Bhagaya Namaha. Om Tushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Parichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Patriotic songs have always played an important role in boosting our morale and fostering a spirit of love towards the nation. This is a tradition that has been our strength whenever we have been called upon to come together for the national cause. So let's hear our teachers sing a medley.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत हम एक हैं, आवाज दो हम एक हैं, जागो।
Today, on the celebration of Republic Day, let's rekindle the sense of pride in our collective identity. In this period of Amrit Kal, let us sing and perform melodious patriotic songs which will resound with the spirit of New India. The colors of one's art, culture, song, music must certainly be filled in our lives to make and keep us united in India. Let us watch the mesmerizing performance of the Blossom team and join together to celebrate the celebration of 73rd Republic Day of India. Jai Hind.
तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा। Sein तरज थई म्यान तरज, इकवट बनिए sein तरज।
तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर दे नाल, मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा।
मुंहिंजो सुर तुंहिंजे सां प्यारा मिले जॾहिं, गीत असां जो मधुर तरानो बणे तॾहिं।
सुर का दरिया बह के सागर में मिले,
बदलांदा रूप लखे
बरसन होले होले।
இசைந்தா நம் இருவரின் சுரமும் நமதாகும். திசை வேறானாலும் ஆழிசேர் ஆறுகள் முகிலாய் மழையாய் பொழிவது போல் இசை நம் இசை.
నన్నదనిగే నిన్నదనియా,
తీరిదంతే నమ్మదనియా,
నా స్వరము నీ స్వరము സംഗമമൈ മനസ്വരങ്ങൾ അവതരിഞ്ചി.
എന്റെ സ്വരവും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വരവും ഒത്തുചേർന്നു നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമായി. তোমার সুর মোদের সুর,
সৃষ্টি করু কই কসুর। তোমার সুর মোদের সুর, সৃষ্টি করু কই কসুর। সৃষ্টি হোক ওই কোতান। তোমা মোরা স্বরর মিলন সৃষ্টি করি চালু ঐক্যতানু। મળે સૂર જો તારો મારો, બને આપણો સૂર નિરાળો। माझ्या तुमच्या जुळता तारा, मधुर सुरांच्या बरसती धारा। सुर की